Hello everyone. In today's class, we'll discuss about the construction technology and management previous year question papers. So whenever an activity has zero total float, then the right answer is free float and independent float. Both must be zero. Time and progress chart are also known as all of this. Each circle represents an event. The activity with the minimum cost slope should be crashed first. PERT is an event oriented technique, and an activity in a project management network is an element of work entailed in the project. CPM stands for construction CPM stands for critical path method. The worker is paid for the amount of work done by him rather than the time consumed in doing it is called as a piece weight system. One of the main disadvantages of the bar chart for construction management is does not show the interdependencies of the activity. Critical path method network is activity oriented. Total settlement of a compressible soil stratum of 2 meter deep and having coefficient of volume compressibility 0.02 centimeter square per kg under pressure increment of 2 kg per centimeter square will be answer is 8 centimeter. The formula is delta H is equal to H mv into sigma, the delta sigma. So 200 into 0.02 into 2, if you do, you get 8 centimeter. Next, functional organization system of working was introduced by F.W. Taylor. Consider the following activities in a building construction. So these are the activities. The right answer is 3124. Erection of formwork of for slab, concreting of roof slabs, brick jelly lime concreting terracing, construction of parapet wall and terrace. Match list 1 and 2. Correct answer using the codes given below. Right answer is A, 4321. The profits and the associated probability of making the profits are given below in respect of 4 projects. The right answer is C, 3214. How to do this is, so 15% is nothing but 15 divided by 100 into 0.5 you do. Whatever the answer you get, write the answer for each and everything. So maximum, when the motive is maximization of expected profit, the correct order of preference, which is a maximum arranged in such a order. The right answer is 3214. Gantt chart includes comparison of actual progress with the scheduled progress. So the network rules are common to all activity on Arrow network system. The use of computers for making computations may impose certain rules. Which of the following basic rules of network logic are correct? So the right answer is 1, 2, and 3. All are correct answer. So a serious limitation of interdependence between various activities is generally observed in bar charts. So AON network is suggested as shown below. The number of errors compatibilities in this network is 2. There are 2 errors. Which of the following is a correct sequence to analyze a project for implementation is WBS network scheduling with resource allocation time cost study. A bar chart for 4 activities are given with schedule, start and finish, end of day values, and the resource requirement of per day are given below. What will be the maximum and the minimum resource need on any of the days? The right answer is 22,6. So assertion and reason they have given. So right answer is both A and R are true, and R is the correct explanation of A. Consider the following statements. So which of these statements are correct? So 1, 2, and 4 statements are correct. Match list 1 and 2. Oh, there's some data missing in this. We'll go to the next question. Which one of the following techniques is most suitable in case of research and development type of activity? So which of these method is most suitable in case of research and development activities is, right answer is project evaluation and review technique, PERT. What is the duration by which the completion time of any activity can be delayed without affecting the start of any of the succeeding activities? is free float. Which one of the following associated with AOA network is zero float? So what is the proportional variation and what is the range of project duration of the project as shown with the indicated probabilistic A and B durations of the respective activities? The right answer is 1/15, 28 to 42. Which one of the following relates to determination of critical path in event is event-oriented slack. PERT calculations yield as a project of 60 weeks with variance of 9 weeks. Probability factor corresponding to 95% probabilities 1.647. Then the number of weeks required to complete the project with a probability of 95%. 95% is 64.94. Consider the following statements. Which of these statements are correct? So the right answer is only 3 is correct answer. In PERT analysis, the time estimates of activities corresponds to beta distribution curve. So a father notes that his teenager daughter uses the telephone. She takes no less than 5 minutes for a call, but sometimes as much as an hour. 15 minutes calls are more frequent than calls of any duration. If the daughter calls were to be represented on an activity in an PERT project, the expected duration of each phone call is 20 by 5/6 minutes. So the right formula for estimation is the most probable time which is given as to calculate of any activity. The right formula is T0 plus 4Tm plus Tp divided by 6. This is the construction technology and management important questions which are asked in the previous years. Thank you.